This video is about game design 101, and I'll be explaining the interface of the software called Gamemaker 8.1, which is the software we'll be using to design our games. So if you don't have Gamemaker 8.1, just go ahead and open your browser, then go to google.com and type Gamemaker 8.1, and then once you are there, click on go to yoyogames.com, and then you have two different versions. The first version will be Gamemaker for Windows. This one is for free, I believe, and we have Gamemaker for Mac computers, and I think this one will cost some few dollars, but I'm not sure how much. So just go ahead and download the software, and once you have it, go ahead and double click on it, and once you have your application open, you have two windows. Go ahead and close this small window, and then you have this big window with three different sections. On the right hand side, we have tutorials page, and we don't need this page, so go down on right hand side still and click on this hide button so that we don't see the tutorial page. So we have this news page in the middle, and I think we don't need this page. So to close this page, you go to the right hand side at the top, and then close the window by clicking on the small X. We have two X buttons, but don't click on the red one, just click on the small one, which is the one below. And then we have a blank window in the middle that looks like this one. Okay, at the top we have different buttons, and we now use all of them. So I'm going to explain only a few of them. The first one is the icon or a button you click on if you want to create a new game. So once you click on this icon, you have a page like this, and then you make your new game. The next button is a button you click on if you want to open a previously saved game. So you just click on this icon, and then you find your folder and open your game. The next button is called save the game. This blue icon, you click on this icon if you want to save your current game. So if you're designing a game and you want to save it, you click on this blue icon. I skip these two icons, and then the next one is this green icon. Is the icon you click on when you want to play test your game, or if you want to run your game and see what you have so far. The next icon is this red icon that looks like Pac-Man. You click on it if you want to create a sprite. So a sprite is like an image. So if every time you're designing a game, you need characters, and each character needs to have an image. So that image is what in Gamemaker we call sprite. So every time you create a new sprite, it goes under this folder called sprites. The next icon is to create sound. So if you want to add music or sound to your game, you click on this icon, and all the sounds you have will go under this sounds folder. The next icon that looks like a picture is the one we use to create a background. So if you want to give a background to your game, you click on this icon, and then you have backgrounds pictures under your background folder. And I skip these four icons, and then I go to this blue sphere, and we use this icon to create object. So an object is the programming part of a sprite. So you have an image which is called a sprite, and you want to give a behavior to your sprite. So you go under object and then create an object, and you give it a particular behavior like jumping, moving, so that your image will look like a real character. The last icon is called room. So this white rectangle creates a new room, and the room is like a level. So in Gamemaker, instead of using levels, we use the word rooms. So every time you want to give a level to your game, you create a new room. So rooms are levels. That's all for this video. Thank you.